We are discussing anti-vaxxers' role in creating panic in society. What we have seen, there is some site called lightsitenews.com, and this site is thoroughly useless, and they want to create any kind of panic in society. They are an anti-vaxxer site. Anti-vaxxer means those who are against vaccination, particularly in this case corona vaccination or COVID vaccination. What we have seen that this site shows, and it has been all viral. Everybody must have received WhatsApp saying that those who have been vaccinated against COVID vaccine, even with 2 vaccination, they will die within 2 years. This is totally highly unbelievable. It's not possible. What more they have done, they put this thing in the words of Dr. Luc Montagnier, who is a Nobel laureate, who found or researched the HIV virus for the first time. As I know this scientist, I know that he will never speak such an irresponsible language, and they have used this to create a panic in people. By reading this, people are thinking that why take vaccine when we are going to die? Particularly, everybody is going to die after 2 years. So this is unbelievable thing. There are a lot of anti-vaxxers and there are a lot of vaccine hesitancy growing. Now, what we have seen in couple of places, for example, in a district of Agra, where 29 pre-filled syringes were thrown in dustbin, and the people did not take vaccine, but they got vaccine certificates. Now, if they want certificates to show someone under some pressure, but they are wasting vaccine, this is a criminal waste. On one hand, our people are standing in queue, they are not able to get vaccine. They are registering, they are going day after day, and they find a board that vaccine is finished. Come tomorrow, try tomorrow. And we see all this news. And we also seen in some places people are jumping in river, but they don't want to take vaccine. We are also seen people want to do any sorts of thing, but not to take vaccine. And there are a lot of myths and misconceptions perpetuated by some anti-social elements, maybe some social element under some guise. So we have seen this kind of vaccine hesitancy, which is a social hesitancy, political hesitancy, medical hesitancy, but we need to overcome. So basic point is that we should go behind people who want to take vaccine and complete vaccination program there, rather than spending our effort to the people who do not want to take vaccine. We have also seen in Nashik district, one team went in a boat to vaccinate people. 21 vaccines were given. That means 9 vaccines were wasted, because in one vial there are 10 vaccines. So we don't waste vaccine like this. What will happen is, if people are vaccinated, they find the good effects of vaccine, like we have seen in Mumbai and Maharashtra, where those elderly people who have taken vaccine, the COVID infection percentage in the second wave was very low. The deaths were very low. So automatically when the scientific results come out, people will follow. And what also we need to do is, anybody who is anti-vaxxer, he may be very tall, big people, but we should file cases against Epidemic Act, Disaster Management Act, and try them immediately. So we should not wait. Otherwise, people will go scot-free, and they will think that nothing would happen. So we should take laws to the ultimatum and prosecute such kind of people.